Hello, guys. Welcome back again. Cesar here. We are looking at when to buy in the market. So let's look at trend, direction, and pattern in the charts. This is important to us because when we know what direction and what's the trend and what's the pattern, it's give us a good ability to know when to get into the market. So let's go look at the look at it right now. So as you can see, we need to analyze the stock chart to review its performance and decide when to enter buy or when to leave or sell in the market trend. A trend is a general direction of a stock, high or low. A trend can be up, a trend can be down. So, for example, if you were buying this stock at this point, it was going high, high. At this, we have a different trend going on. You can see the trend is down. From that point all the way to here, you can see there is a different trend. Okay, so we can see a downtrend, they call it a bearish. You can see that we have a bearish market or sideways. That's been, you can see from here all the way to here, the price didn't change much. It stay around like $3, right? One $3, $3, $3.05, $3.30, right? Um, $3, a little bit here, but you can see it's still that's a sideways. You can see the graph is going that way. No movement. Stay away from this market because nothing is happening. So, but when you look at it here, you can see high. The highs are become highers, right? The lows are high lows, right? High, low, higher lows. You can see there's another trend trying to set up here because this one is a penny stock. You can see the trend is not gonna be big, but you can see there's a trend that's going on here. You see, this is the high. The next high is higher, and then I'm sure as you go on, this is the low. Okay, this is the low, and you can see the next low is here, and then the next low it's around here. So you can see the highs are becomes higher, and the lows are become higher as well. That's we have a trend change. So it's gonna be a bullish trend here. So if you buy here at 3 and then it start to go up, you can see it's almost get to 5 and it's around $4 right now. So this first thing is the trend. The trend is general direction of a stock. What you need to do as well is look at the trend of the market. Okay, if you are in the New York Stock Exchange, if that's where the company is listed, you need to look at the New York Stock Exchange to see what is the trend there. Is the trend up? Is the trend up bullish or is it down bearish or is it sideways? That sometimes that can give you an indication where your stock will be. Okay, so that's important. Okay, so let's look at support and resistance. This is line of highs and lows that we did say that, right? So if you look at this is the low, and then you can see the next low is here. The next low is here. You can see the lows are lower. Okay, this is the resistance. Okay, support. Okay, so right. So this is where this is the low and it's keep going higher. So higher lows. So you can see there's an uptrend here. Okay, from here there's an uptrend. Okay, so now we know the trend. So and then this low is become a support for that one. Okay, so now this high become the resistance for the next high. Okay, so if it break that resistance, right? So that low and then it's become low, right? This low become higher, but this is high. When it's come to that point, if it's break that resistance, that's become a resistance. If it's breaking and it's go up, we know that this thing is not gonna stay. It's gonna continue to go up as long as the high, the next high, like you see now, it's become that's the next high at this point. So there is gonna be a resistance. Now it goes down. There's gonna be a resistance at the same point here. Okay, so it's going in this resist here again to go up. It didn't go up. You can see it's moved. It goes to that point. It want to go up. It didn't go up. But here it's break it, the resistance. Then it's gonna go up. Right. This is what we wanna see as we call support and resistance line. So when your high is higher, when your low is higher lows, now you see there's an uptrend. But if your lows become lower, if your highs become lower highs, you have a downtrend. But if the high and the lows continue to be the same, you have a sideways trend, and the support of resistance almost doesn't matter. But as they go up like this line, the support become resistance, so resistance becomes support, and then as soon as you break the resistance, you know this thing is gonna go high, and then you're gonna start moving. So price pattern, shape of these things. All right. So every time we see there's a triangle, things gonna happen. This you see here, it goes up and it goes down. So we have a triangle. So if we keep going, you see here, it goes up and it goes down. We have another triangle. So as you getting more experience with this, you see they repeat again. These things repeat and repeat again, right? It goes sideways, it go down, and it's gonna go up again, right? That's what we need to understand. What's the price pattern it's telling us? Okay, and sometimes it take 2 months to go up, and then it goes down. Maybe sometimes around um, earning reports, thing goes down, or if we know the report the market is doing well, like we see for the past couple of days here, while I'm recording this video, that tech tech giants are doing really well after their report because they report really really good. What happened? The price of the stock shoot up, and if you were buying at that report, as soon as they said we earn money, you should have put your order in to buy, and then maybe in a couple of days you can sell or settle when the market settle. Okay. The fourth one is the technical indicators. So to look at the technical indicators, I like to go to a view here. Here we have some technical indicator here. Let's go to uh, uh, to my Robinhood to take a look at this. Okay, so you can see we have three indicators. We have the 5 days, 20 days, and 50 days moving average indicators. Okay, and then we have the volume is the green one, yellow is the 5 days, blue is the 20 days, pink is the 50 days. And then here also we have the MACD, right? We have the 12, 26 days as well set up here. So as you can see, the 5 days moving average is closer to what the price of the stock is doing. So, and the indicators give us an idea what the trend might be. So, for example, here, when you see that the 5 days is up right after the price, and you have the 20 days right behind it, and you have the 50 days below it, you probably gonna have a bullish trend. This is what's gonna happen. So if you are buying this stock at 460, here you can see when it's crossed up, the blue cross up, the 20 days moving average cross the 50 days moving average. Now we perfectly aligned. We have 5 days, 20 days, 50 days. As you can see, it continue to go, it's continue to go, it's continue to grow. So if you buy it at 460, now you can see it's at 466. This is in 1 day. So you could have made 50, almost 15 cents. Okay. So and then you can see how people keep buying the blue bars. Remember that? The blue bars are people buying, right? See, you can see the MACD also give you the intention. The blue line for the 12 days is leading the 26 days, and then all these are blue. That give you an indication that thing was gonna no, 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 going to be going well. And then here you can see then things start changing here, where it's crossed the other way. So now, because it's crossing the other way, you can see there's a sideways on top, and then when we get to that point, it goes down, and then you can see the bar is telling you that people are selling. That's the red bars, right? At this point here, you see, people start selling. Okay, so they make the money here. They start selling. And they sell up to here, and then when it get to here 62, I mean, if you didn't buy, then you were late. The market closed and nothing happened until the next day. That's the market thing. See, the moving average give you an indication of what the trend would be should you get into the market, and then you can see the bar is telling you what's happening. People are buying. This is the time to buy, and then as you come to that point here, people start selling. This is people who's trading. Short-term traders are doing this, but that's the thing about the market. So we need to understand that. So this is what we need to realize, that this is these four um, thing help us to analyze the market, right? The trend, bullish, bearish, or sideways. You can see that. And the support and resistance and price pattern. We need to look at that when things change. And then technical indicators. Those give us the when to get into the market, when to exit. This help us to make a better trade. So remember, this is beginning. You need to do more research and learn more. And also, hopefully, next I'm gonna create a video about technical analysis, so we can break this down one by one. What is each average? So that way you can use them better. Okay. See you guys later.